In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold on the Dravec 45. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and equip this weapon and go into your gunsmith and go into the customize tab, specifically the camo tab right here. And then go into your multiplayer tab. Now the first 9 camos right here are going to be your base headshot camos in this military tab. This is probably going to be what takes you the most amount of time out of all of these other challenges, with it taking about 10 to 15 games max if you're playing kind of like sub tier. Essentially what you're going to want to do is play objective based game modes like domination or hardpoint, and essentially just sit right outside of the objective and get those headshots lined up on people that are playing objective. It's going to take a little bit of time. This is an SMG. I recommend putting a scope on it and maybe a long barrel. That'll help you out a little bit. But once you do get through these, what you're going to want to do is move on to your special camos, which is going to start with the Diamondback. Now the first one is super easy because you can do the exact same thing. This is going to be objective kills. So essentially play domination and hardpoint and either play inside those or play right outside of those and specifically target people that are inside of those to knock out those objective kills. You can knock this out in one game of domination. Fully Raptor camo, you just got to get 2 kills without reloading 10 times. This is super easy. Put an extended mag on and you'll be able to knock this out extremely quickly. This is probably like do multiple challenges within one single game kind of challenge, because what you can do is actually then move on to the mainframe camo, which is just get a kill shortly after sliding, diving, wall jumping 15 times. This one isn't that bad. Sliding is by far the easiest to go ahead and knock out, but this you'll probably just achieve while just playing the game normally. Finally, we have the Shattered Gold camo, and this one is just 3 kills without dying 10 times. It's supposed to be the hardest challenge. It really isn't. You're going to want to do the same method as the military camos and the headshot camos. Sit outside of the objective, kill people that are inside the objective, and play safe. You may have to scooch back a few times in order to ensure that you don't die. A long barrel and an extended mag as well as a scope are very, very helpful for this. Make sure you equip those. But if you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.